What up, dope world? I'm Devin, and this is Devin Does Everything. And today, we got something new in this motherfucker. We got something new in this boy. Ooh, that's that Ps4 Pro. So what I'm about to do is do a little unboxing and then a little setup. Hope y'all enjoy. They had a PlayStation since PlayStation 2. Been a long, long time. A box in the box. A box within the box. Ooh. Little quick start guide booklet. Like that. Ooh, almost dropped it. See? Here it is. Here it is. It's coming out the box. Ooh. It's here. Ain't nothing like picking up a new fucking something electronic. Taking that plastic off. Ooh, boy. Oh shit, they got the... I like the bottle. See, they got the... Y'all can see. We got the triangle, circle, X, all that. Ooh. Damn. This shit about Chris as hell. This is nice. I know y'all might get tired of looking at my feet, but fuck it. Set this boy up. This will go right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, this little Bose speaker. Put it right there. Nigga, where all the fucking cords and shit at? I was about to say, motherfuckers gave me a system with no cords. Now, I will be back. As y'all can see, we're all set up. I know I got that bullshit as default fucking avatar and shit, but I'm about to fix that shit, but let's get into this shit. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll holler at y'all motherfuckers later. Peace.